It's time for another Let's Kinder Surprise. Let's choose this egg here. See what's in it. Looks like it's a lawnmower. So, taking this, I guess it's like the bag that all the clippings will go into. And then the handle. I don't think someone could reach over that bag to push this lawnmower. Then this in here, but it doesn't. Oh, I see. Then you put the wheels on, and the wheel holds it in. And then, oh yeah, that's cool. Put this wheel in under here. Then you put in this on top of here, and we got a lawnmower that is eating the grass. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Anyway, if you'd like to see more of these, please subscribe and click here for the playlist. Thank you for watching.